Bring the beauty, soothing sounds, and peaceful serenity of a garden pond indoors with the AquaGarden Tabletop Fountain Kit. Place this beautiful mini pond in any room of your home where you desire peace and tranquility. This all-in-one container water garden provides a relaxing, elegant focal point in any indoor setting. And the compact 11.5 by 5-inch size makes it a great option for offices, sunrooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and more. Setting up your AquaGarden Tabletop Fountain Kit is easy. Simply place in your ideal location, add the media, fill with water, plug in, and enjoy. With endless design options, you can give your AquaGarden a look that is uniquely your own, including adding a variety of plants to create your very own one-of-a-kind aquatic paradise. The AquaGarden Tabletop Fountain Kit features a round, rippled container with a dedicated plant and waterfall filter designed to keep the water clean and clear while providing a great place to grow plants. The calming waterfall spout is illuminated by an LED light as the filtered water cascades back down into the bowl. This complete kit also features an overhead light, which illuminates the water from above while providing plants with the proper light spectrum they need to thrive. All decorative gravel and filter substrate is included, and each kit comes with a convenient 3-way controller, which makes it easy to turn on and off lights and pump individually as desired. Get your AquaGarden Tabletop Fountain today and enjoy the beauty and serenity of this small, enchanting water garden. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended and have been creating and field testing water features for over 25 years to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.